2.
Thank you, Sebastian, for helping me out with my lesson today. And we're going to discuss fractions, and it's really going to be a very simple lesson in how fractions work.
Okay.
And fractions is really all about sharing, or how much is taken from the whole of something.
Yeah.
If you come here for a minute, I want you to take this, and I want you to write right here, top number, the number that's shaded.
So,
How many are shaded?
okay.
Exactly. Same thing here. That should be 1, 2, 3.
Okay. So it would be 3. 8.
The last one.
So 3. Okay. So it would be 3. I don't know.
Very good. I'll hang on to this for a minute. And so we were looking at the part, the shaded part.
Yep.
That was taken out of a whole number. There were 4 whole parts, 8 whole parts, 3 whole parts. That's basically how fractions work.
Yep.
Show me the part that was taken out of the whole. Now let's go over here, and I want you to do a little experiment for me.
Okay.
I want you to sort out the crayons from the pencils, from the markers, from the pens.
Okay.
Now, I want you to take notes. I want you to mark down each one. Tell me pens, how many? Markers, how many? Pencils, how many? And crayons, how many?
First.
And you just put a C next to it, 10C. So we'll know which one you got. And then,
Markers we have.
if make it as a list. That's okay.
3 M for markers.
Mhm.
And then 1, 2, 5. And then P. Okay.
Last but not least.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And make it PS. Now, I want you to tell me how many total writing utensils or coloring utensils you have.
Okay, so if we have 10 of that plus 3, so we would have to go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
10,
Oh, yeah.
13,
13.
then
13, okay, and then we would have 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, then 18, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 6,
19,
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24.
24. So you
So
got
24
total. And so if I were writing that as a fraction, I'm going to go on what you just said.
Okay.
How many, what was your first one on your list? Was that
10
crayons?
crowns.
There were 10 out of how many?
The
Total?
total 14.
So 10 out of 24 was your total number. And that was crayons. And then what was your next one?
Markers, 3 out of 24. And then pens, 5 out of 24. And then color pencils, 6 out of 24.
And then 6 out of 24. Colored. And then that's basically how fractions work. You're taking the part, you gave me the parts.
Yep.
And then you gave me the whole number.
Yep.
How many people are in this room?
1, 2, 3.
Good.
And then if we
How many are a boy?
1.
1. That's fractions. How many are a girl?
2.
2. That's fractions. Let me find something else in this room.
We could do
How many tables are in this room?
6.
There's 6.
And if we shade in
Now,
4 of them, we
how
would
many are half moon shaped?
2, 3.
Half moon?
It's like, yeah, see, 1, 2.
No,
Oh, 1, 2.
Mm-hmm. Just 2 of them. And then how many are round?
1.
Just 1. And then how many have at least 8 sides?
3.
So again, we're just taking the part out of that whole number. And then, 2 things, excuse me, let me grab this piece of paper and this calculator. I want you to have a seat for me. And we're only gonna look at 2, maybe 3 of these. And let me see if you can tell me what that says. Matthew.
Matthew had 8 pieces,
Pencils.
3 of
Then
them are
do not have erasers.
erasers.
And then they wanna know what fraction of the pencils do not have erasers. Now let me grab your pencil.
I don't need to use this calculator.
So
So-
there's 8 total.
8, and then 3 of them don't have erasers.
Mm-hmm. And this one, Mitchell has a bag with how many M&Ms?
12.
That's probably gonna be your total number or your part number.
Okay.
Which one do you think is gonna be the 12 M&Ms? Is it gonna be the total or the part?
Total.
Total. So you can go on and put that one on the bottom. And then let's see which one they want to be the top number. 5 are yellow, 2 are green, 1 is orange, and 4 are brown. They wanna know how many are brown.
Is 4.
And we'll look at one more. Chelsea has an apple and she cut it into 8 pieces. She ate 5 of them. 3 she put in the refrigerator. What part did she actually eat? So total number and
And then she ate, she had 8, so she had
she ate
5.
uh-huh.
So she would have, she ate 5.
That's it.
5 out of 8.
And then last but not least, I'm gonna show you something just for the fun of it.
Okay.
I'm gonna turn on my calculator. You'll probably see one of these when you move over to the junior high school. And once we get deeper into fractions, you'll have to start adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing them. I just wanna show you an easy way to work with them on your calculator when you get to this kind of calculator, once you move on to the junior high school. I want you to press in 1,
1,
ABC,
ABC,
6,
6,
plus
plus
2. Well, and that's correct.
Yeah.
Now let's do one more.
Okay.
And we're gonna just hit clear. And then do, let's see, 2,
Okay.
ABC, 3,
Okay.
plus, let's say 1. No, not yet, ABC, 3 equals.
1.
Mm-hmm. And that's just for fun. I'm gonna show you something here. What it just did, especially with that last one we just did. You did 1 ABC 3 plus 2 ABC 3. The ABC was actually the line part.
Okay.
When the numbers on the bottom are the same,
Yeah.
keep the same number.
Okay.
And then all you're gonna do is add the 2 top numbers. 1 plus 2 is
Is 1 plus 2 is 3.
3. And
So
the calculator said that the answer is
it's
one.
1.
Well, the answer is 1 because that's one whole of something.
Yeah.
If
we had 3 pieces like that triangle.
yesterday I was talking to one of my students and I asked a question. And I said, how many people, and you told me, how many people are in the room?
3.
3. So we're right here. How many people in the room wanna go home?
3. All 3 of us
All 3 of us. And so that means that the whole group
wants to go home.
wants to go home. And so anytime you have the number on top, the same as the number on bottom,
Yeah.
it's the whole thing. The whole group wants to go home. And so I thank you very much, Sebastian. You've been a great student. Give me a high five. Wonderful. I'm gonna have to reward you for this.